Okay, this is Mercado. Let's just kind of walk around the periphery part. But they'll sell like meat and different stuff in here. And maybe we'll try to go in on the other side, but basically because of COVID, there's different restrictions. Let's just see what's around here. Pork chop buns. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Let's just see what's around here. Pork chop buns, cafes, mango? No, chicken. Looks like chicken skin. Okay, so we're gonna walk around to the other side of the Mercado. More pork chop buns, huh? A lot of pork chop bun restaurants right here. So okay, so here's let's see, Mercado 1939, and we can't go into this side, but we can go around it. But you can basically see these little red lights, and there's usually I think the fruits, and sometimes they'll put but all the fresh foods will be in there, and then they'll have meat in there as well. We'll just keep following it around, and then we'll I don't know if we'll go in or not. I don't think I can bring a camera in, that's the problem. But we'll go around the periphery. So 1939, and let's see. Yeah, I don't want to go in, that's the problem. But anyways, it's right here. If I go in, I don't know if I can bring in the camera. Well, we'll see. Maybe I will. Let me just kind of point out where we are exactly, and I'll see if I can get the camera in there. So 1939, we'll bring into some of the streets. Who would Enrique de Macedo and Largo de Mercado. Municipal. And I have all the fruits and vegetables right there as well. 1939. And there's only one way to go in, that one entrance. So we'll see. See what I can film. So let's go back down here. And maybe I'll try to conceal the camera a little bit and see what we can do. Pork. Done. Okay. So there's the Mercado, 1939. So we'll see if we can get in or not. So we just came in, but it looks like it's basically closed. So, fish. So yeah, it's basically closed. Anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. Okay, so we just got in there a little bit. There's not really much in there. A lot less than I thought. I did see some fish, but it's not anything that you wouldn't see anywhere else in Asia, all over the place. And some chicken feed as well, which is also pretty common everywhere as well. All right, let's end it right there.